Alrighty, good evening everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather. Wanted to bring you a quick forecast update here this Tuesday evening, 5:56 p.m. Eastern Time here, the 4th of August 2015. Radar starting to light up again tonight and a few thunderstorms out there. Nothing majorly severe for us really at this point. Now, as we put the radar here into motion, you can see did have one lone severe thunderstorm that popped up here in Spencer County. It very briefly pulsed up, but then sort of went back, died down after that. But as you can see, we do have more storms starting to pulse up all over the place, and that's due to this stalled cold front that is in the area. And you can expect rain chances to last around really the next couple of days as this cold front continues to hang around pretty much in our area. Now, some heavy rain will be possible on Wednesday night or Wednesday and Thursday. We'll talk about that here in a second as I put future radar into motion. But because of that, flash flood watch has been issued for areas in green, so keep that in mind. National Weather Service is thinking another 1.5 to 2 inches could be possible with this, with locally higher amounts. This is in effect on Wednesday night through Thursday. So it is possible to see another decent little amount of rain. So we'll go ahead and put it in future radar. Let's start off with the HRRR model, just a real short-term model. Here's what we got going on this evening. You can see these storms start to pulse up. By the time we head into late overnight hours, those storms start to die down, and so we'll get a break overnight. But as we head more into the longer-term things, here's what the high-resolution NAM wants to show us. And you can see it's kind of jumpy here. The internet's kind of acting up a little bit. But what you see here is, hold on a second. Let me see if I can make it better. All right, now it's acting better. Good pause feature here. You can put future radar here into motion. You can see Wednesday, though, not a whole lot around the area, just a little bit of stuff. But by the time Wednesday night works to us, you can see some very heavy rain potentially moving in on Wednesday night into Thursday morning as this dying MCS starts to move through. And it'll eventually move through, but some very heavy rain will come with it. Probably not much of anything severe with it at the time of night. I wouldn't too much worry about severe weather with this, but bottom line is some very heavy rain can be expected with this, so keep that in mind. Now, plenty of rain chances coming up here in the next, several days. It's going to be an up and down pattern here. You'll see that reflected in the temperatures in a minute as well, but as I put this into motion, there's that rain chances really lasting through until high pressure starts to build in for the weekend and sort of take charge. And then we got more rain chances coming next week. High pressure builds back in and keeps us dry for a little while before more rain starts to build in after that. It's just sort of a constant up and down pattern here. It's going to be kind of, sort of a roller coaster ride, and temperatures they really reflect that as well. Even some 90s starting to show up again, but 91 is the highest you get in the modeling. That's not too bad. 88 is our normal high temperature, so we'll take that. We got some low 80s to factor in here to the equations as well. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow to not even get out of the 70s in some places around the area. 79, 80 could be very well possible around the area as we stay sort of a mostly cloudy day with that. So with that in mind, here's your 10-day forecast. You can go to southernindianaweather.com, click on 10-day. Some showers and thunderstorm chances continue overnight tonight, but not too much by the time dark hits there. 85 though for your high tomorrow, partly sunny, showers and thunderstorms. Might not even make it, as I said, out of the 70s though here on Thursday, as it sort of becomes a mostly cloudy day. Better chance of rain really shows up here on Thursday. And then of course after that the weekend rolls in and you've got some 80s back into the forecast with some upper 80s possible next week. There you go, some rain-free days along with some rainy days there as well. So as I said, sort of an up and down pattern over the next couple of weeks. We'll just sort of take it one at a time where it is. But folks, take this seriously. We've got a flash flood watch in effect on Wednesday night in through Thursday night. So keep that in mind if you have to be out driving around there. Just watch for flooded roadways with some potentially heavy rain moving in. Otherwise than that, the remainder of the evening, folks, probably not a whole lot severe going on tonight. We had one isolated warning. That may end up being the only warning we get out of this. It's not going to be a very impressive night by any means, just some general storms. And the tornado threat is, of course, basically non-existent. Nothing really to worry about, folks. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite, and that is it for this update. We'll see you next time.